He's done, bro.
I knew this car had problems, but I didn't expect this. Before I can even deal with the rust, there's a lot more wrong with this car. We couldn't get this open at all. So you can't like do anything with this. And when you come here, turn the key, press this button, nothing happens. The trunk button, if you hold it, car key blinks. Nope. And then you'll notice there's something back there. That might be mold. We'll have to pull out these clips, then somehow move it so we can get to the lock mechanism.
He's done, bro. Det här kommer inte ta. Ska jag dra mig hem nu då bara? Ja.
In there, in the hole, he'll try to poke.
Yeah. Alltså det är lätt om man inte får ta sig på vad som sker. And then, somehow, this happened.
Bro. I just got it open, bro.
Nej, det stänger inte.
Okay, let's see if I can demonstrate this once again. Får vi en stängd eller mer? Ja. You see there, that mechanism? I pulled this up and boom. So, yeah, he'll close it and try all the ways it can be open. Whoa! We didn't even realize it at first, but that actually fixed the trunk.
Gjorde den?
Nej. Vad funkar det nu? Bro! Vad funkar det?
Det här är fina låsposition sen.
Ja, it works.
W-fix.
W-fix. We found a lot of mold. Nej, hej möjligt är det ja. This has to go as well.
Oh.
Yeah, that's not good.
Oh my days. Är det bra vid rotan?
Det är dambe på linern.
Nej, för att du har rost i vitt och genom. Also another hole to fix.
This has probably been sitting like this for a long time.
Där sa han vitt och kommer hem.
And it's not just the trunk. Sometimes it feels like it's not making full power, but hopefully it's just something simple. We tightened everything, and turns out it's fixed now. And an oil change, because who knows when this was last done. Det blev bra film.
Nu kommer. You have to be ready.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Then we did a quick OBD scan and found 4 fault codes that definitely need to be looked into. So yeah, before we even touched the rust, we already found more problems. The next step is figuring out how bad the rust really is and actually trying to fix it for once.